banking sector continues to look bullish. Impulsive price action remains the main theme. Even from these lows we can see a clear 5-wave movement higher, was followed by a pretty textbook ABC correction down into the 50 to 61.8% retracement zone, and then again impulsive price action takes hold, exactly what we'd expect, and that has also been followed by an ABC correction to the downside. Now the problem with this retracement down is that it hasn't tagged the 50 to 61.8% retracement level of this prior trend, not actually shown on the chart here, but it does sit at significantly lower levels, so we'll just have to see what transpires. For me, the line in the sand is this minor line of resistance running through here, get up through there, and I would suggest that the corrective movement, or in other words this prior pivot low, is the full extent of the retracement of that prior trend, and that portends a significant movement high, especially if we can get up through these recovery highs. Then we'd expect to see the all-time highs just around this wave equality projection, circa 7,900 tagged, and over the longer term exceeded by a reasonable margin. So the banking sector continues to outperform, certainly compared to the material sector, which continues to underperform. So in regard to a deeper retracement, we'd need to see this prior pivot low down here overcome. If it does, it would move us to more of a bearish stance over the short term only, and it would offer the potential to see a larger and deeper ABC correction down. So this would then become wave A, up to a wave B, and down to the wave C, and that would be the buying opportunity right there, and that would likely align nicely with the 200-day moving average, which, as can be seen, was briefly penetrated back here. That enticed buyers back in, and again a bit more significantly so broke down, but immediately rejected and headed higher. So a deeper retracement would not necessarily be a bearish proposition over the medium and longer term, and would set up a buying opportunity in a few weeks time. But for me, price action is looking strong, and certainly over the past week or so we've started to see a resumption of this strong impulsive price action. So break up through this minor line of resistance, a big step in the right direction, a continuation above the recovery highs here, and certainly portending to a good multi-month move to the upside, ideally breaking up into all-time high territory.